Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power mirrors, stability control, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.